Alright, we are live. Hold on, let me load something up on my chart. Okay, cool. Alright, so a lot has changed. We're gonna delete a lot of stuff and kind of start fresh. That one can be of importance. Look at that, it bounced right off a daily. That one hasn't been tapped yet. Day. This one. Okay. Horizontal line. We're gonna make the dailies orange. Type of day. Wow, you're dropping now. Also, I drew trend lines from the higher low right here. So right now this is saying we're in an uptrend, and so I just drew points connecting the wicks and a trend line here. So this is that lower trend line, and then I drew a resistance trend line. So disconnected the higher highs here and drew a trend line going up. We'll see how long those last. I'm not really expecting them to be that accurate for a long time, but we'll see how it goes. And then for the macro structure of Bitcoin, I drew a parallel channel just from the two tops right here, and then I drew it down to the bottom from June, and so that's been working pretty well too. As you can see with these two wicks here, they've been respecting it pretty well. So something to add into the analysis. But that is pretty much it for days. We'll look at the weekly. Alright, zoom in here. Oop. We're right at a weekly right now. This we can get rid of. Can probably just move this weekly up. Week. And we can add this weekly in. Alright, that should be it for weekly. Month, we'll have a new month open. We just did. Actually, I forgot. It's a little bit ahead of my time, but yeah, probably not much to change here. Yeah, I don't think it's much to change at all. Next, we can go on to the naked weekly. Update this weekly open, which is 36.99. Previous week value area low 37293. Okay, what is this right here? Previous week point of control 39.9. Man, I just love having multiple monitors. So nice. And this is 39,465. All right. Yeah, we can get rid of this line. All right. Make it monthly. Haven't touched those. This I've been updating, so we don't have to spend forever on it. This is what takes me in the most. But we do have a new naked daily point of control right below us at 3828. So I'm just gonna clone this and 38280. And just double checking. Yeah, that should be about it. Yep. Alright. Next, we can do our Fib Supports. Zoom out here. Yep, nothing. Still can leave these open as major supports. I also did some logo analysis, and so these are my kind of trend stuff. I usually delete these as I go, but with this you can move all the Fib retracements. You can just move it up as price keeps on going up. But right now I'm just kind of waiting patiently for a pullback. What I really want to see, let me come down to a lower time frame. What I really want to see is maybe 38,000, but I doubt that. What I'm really looking at is right here, because we have pretty good confluence lining up. We have a 786, that point of control from that previous range, and a golden pocket. Otherwise, 40K roughly would be a good one, because this is a value area high of the previous range, and it is a golden pocket somewhat. So it's kind of what I'm looking at right now, just being patient. I'll take along if I get divergences on like a 3-minute time frame, even long from there. But yeah, we're kind of coming down right now, so just being patient. Okay. Alright, turn these off. Yep, just current range we're kind of in. I mean, we might be up in this range too, but here's a major range and volume area low, major support range. Then right here is like the overall macro ranges. So I'm gonna name these July range. just in case we do come back down there. Just clearing up my chart right now. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna move these over. Alright. And those we don't really have to update. They're just the previous volume range. So, but these I'm gonna turn back on. This whole big like chunk, I'm calling it the trend. And nothing much to change there. Then here I call it the year. It's more of a long-term range of volume. Wow, this shifted way down low. Interesting. Okay. So that is a major support right there, that your point of control. And this did move down a lot too. Wow, okay. Good thing we updated these. So right here, 47,500 roughly, major resistance, I'd say. And that should be about it. You can do Fib resistance and kind of update that on the micro, or macro, I mean. Right now we're kind of rejecting off of that. I'll delete that. More confluence right there. Again. Right here. I like to see more fibs on in the settings, especially when you're drawing it from a large area, especially on the higher time frames. But that should be about it for Ethereum or Bitcoin. Moving on to Ethereum. I'll share these in the Discord. And I'll leave a link to the Discord in the description. And so ETH we might have to update a little bit more. Bear with me. Alright. Go towards some local analysis. Alright, yeah, we can get rid of that. Get rid of that. Update this. Can even put on the 382. That, yeah, there's a little range in there. Interesting. All right. Local analysis. All right. Let's go through our daily. Here, once again, I drew a trend line, but we could probably get rid of this one and draw a new one on the daily. turn on my magnet tool. Alright. See if Ethereum respects that trend line. Same as for a resistance trend line, so better yet, let's see if we can do a parallel channel on Ethereum. I don't know if it's gonna respect it as well, but we'll go to find out. So for this, I'm gonna connect the highs, then bring it to the lows. Alright, it respects it pretty well. Interesting. Alright. Can get rid of that. Get rid of this. Horizontal line. I don't know. I might delete that one. Alright, let's look at the weeklies. Wow, rejecting right off of one. Should I delete it? Yeah, I'll delete it. Wow, look at that one. It's respecting it over there too. Alright, add these two in. Look at the month. Yeah, nothing to really change. Alright. Next. This I shouldn't be too far behind. I have been somewhat updating it. Alright, we have one at 2808. Yeah, we have those two above us. Yep, alright. Alright. Alright, we'll just update these. Shift them way down. Two, 6, 1, 6. Okay, that didn't change too much. And Alright, nice. Alright, those are all updated. Okay, I can get rid of those. Fib resistance. Yeah. Okay, we can turn that off. Alright, that should be pretty much it. I'll do some local analysis on it too. So we have a range down here. This range can probably draw a fib from the swing low to the swing high. Nice, we're getting confluence there. Alright. Alright, that should be about it. And I will share these in the Discord. Link in the description.